Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about what's called cervicogenic dizziness. So I've been talking a lot about cervicogenic headaches, which is just headaches from the neck. Today we're going to look at cervicogenic dizziness, so dizziness from the neck. Now there's a few different types of dizziness. So there's central, so it's a problem with the communication from the brain to our system that tells us how we balance. And then there's peripheral, which is our vestibular system is actually impaired. That's when we get things like BPPV, which are those little crystals in the ear. And when the little crystal is not in the place it should be, we get very dizzy. It usually lasts less than 60 seconds. A central focus or a central dizziness is going to be a hypofunction, or one of the systems is not functioning like it should. It's functioning slower than it should. It kind of throws off the equilibrium, and the patient will be dizzy. And then we have the cervicogenic dizziness, which is going to be related to neck and neck motion. So typically we'll find that the patient will have a restricted upper neck. So we have the skull, and then it sits on C1, and then 2, and 1 and 2 rotate that 45 degrees, and those are going to be stiff. And so in the exam you'll just do range of motion testing, and if at the end of a motion it reproduces their dizziness, that can be a sign that it's coming from the neck. One way that I like to test for this is to take my kind of pincer grasp like that, choke up to the base of the skull, and then with my thumb here, I'm going to block at the C2 transverse process, rotate, and then when that transverse process bumps into my thumb, I know I'm reaching the end of the motion of C1-2, and then I'll put a little stretch through it. And if that reproduces their dizziness, then I can know with a little bit more certainty that it's going to be more of a cervicogenic dizziness. And I'll do that on both sides. And that's just a little trick that I use to help with my differential diagnosis. So go ahead and try that. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.